Hey guys, this is Old Rack 333 and I want to do a little update on this Revelations Battlecat that I'm trying to work on. And the last time I showed this figure, it was fully painted with I forgot what brand of black paint, and you know, the paint wasn't sticking, and all I did was soap and water and all of the paint just came off. So yeah, I'm really having a hard time finding a replacement for the Testors acrylic paints that I've been using for over 10 years. Really sucks. So I'm experimenting some more. This part right here is a Vallejo flat black, and I let it dry overnight. Yeah, just comes right off. Now here on both sides is what little flat black Testors acrylic paint that I have left. Look at that. I'm just gently rubbing my nail here's the Testors. I'm gonna go rougher. Look at that. I'm going a little bit harder and it only scrapes a little bit. I'm gonna go hard on this. Yeah. So again, if people are wondering why my videos are coming less and less, first, I'm just not doing a lot of customizing. The prices of the figures have gone up, so you know, I'm buying less. And then if I do a custom and post it on eBay, they're not going for much, so it's not worth the time and effort to do it. If a figure costs 20 bucks and I put all the time and effort to paint it and try to get something out of it, and then it sells for 20 bucks, I lost time and money, because eBay is going to get a cut. If I do free shipping, you know, I'm going to wind up getting nothing out of it. You know, so yeah, it all sucks. I'm still going to try to find something. I found one video on YouTube, some customizer that does like He-Man stuff. It seems like he does just spray paint for everything, so I got to figure out what brand of spray paint he uses, because depending on the plastic, the spray paint dries all tacky and sticky and doesn't really dry at all. And but it seems like he has no problems finding different brands, so I have plans for this. We'll just see if I'm able to follow through with it. Anyway, thanks for watching.